Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add GIF on video by using CapCut video editing app. It's a very easy process. To learn it, watch the full video. First, open your CapCut video editing app. Then tap on New Project. From here you have to select your video. Then tap on Add. After doing that, your video will be imported in CapCut video editing app. To add your GIF, tap on sticker icon at the Tools row. From here, tap on Add Photos icon. Now select your GIF. Now position it according to your choice. This GIF has been added to this video. To export it, tap on upper arrow icon at the top. I hope you understand the full process. If you think this video is useful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. That's all for today. Goodbye.